Another topic for the discussion in our answer writing session: describe the scope of sociology. In writing this answer, we first about that what is the sociology. Sociology is new among the sciences. It basically evolved during the 18th century. Earlier, the society was in a traditional form. People accepted religion as a supreme force, and whatever the religion guides, they accept it. The sociology changed the minds of our people. The basic definition of the sociology is all about analyzing the society, the problems of the society, and the interrelationship among the people. Sociology as a science led by Auguste Comte, who is the father of the sociology. The scope of the sociology is very wide. It studied the problem of a society, guides and actions towards the particular problem of a society. It studied the relationship between the human individual. In a society, there are various relationships like that: father and son, brother, sister, employee, employer, and all. So the sociology studied the human relationship and how these human relationships work together for the whole societal development. Third most important thing is all about, in the society, we have studied about the rituals, customs, tradition. In our society, there are a lot of festivals, traditions is there. And we are adopted by the rules and regulations of the society. So by through the study of society, we understand about what our rituals, what our customs, what our traditions is having. Next scope of the sociology is that about developing a relationship among the human individuals. By through the study of sociology, we communicate with each other, making a course of the interrelationship between the peoples. And by through with the help of the sociology, it is all about the study of the relationship among the different individuals and their course of action, what the path they follow. By through the study of sociology, it's all about that what previously the concept of society have, they are having a traditional mode of thinking. But with the changes of the dimension of the time, the society is also changing a lot. So by through the help of the study of the sociology, we studied about the different dimensions of the society, what traditionally the society have, what in the mid, and what the society structure in the present. Earlier, the structure of the society is basically traditional. This is basically a patriarchal sort of society in which the man dominance is being there. Now, at this present moment, modern of time, there is a change in the scenario. Women are also participated in the development of a society. They are also having equal participation as a labor force, as a employment, as a money earning, and they also as a equal progress for the development. So by through the study of sociology, we understand the dimension of the society, that what society is being earlier and now what society is being at the present modern era of time. So this is about the various scope of the sociology in different dimensions. Thank you all.